Halo semuanya. Jangan dan sama YouTube. Subscribe ya. Subscribe. Terima kasih. Hi everyone, welcome back our LT Toy channel. Today, let's talk about F11 4K Pro drone. It's a very nice budget drone with 2-axis gimbal and EIS. The electronic image stabilization. It can be record very nice video without any jello effect. For the video quality, it can be record 4K 30 fps. The color and the quality is very sharp and very clear. Very nice. We have been testing the tracking mode on the F11 4K Pro drone. It's very easy to operate the tracking mode on this drone. And also we have been trying the gesture control. Before start the gesture control, you have to move away the drone around 2 meter distance. 2 meter distance from your current position. Then you can activate your gesture control to take the photo and the video record. Very handsome, right? It also has the VR and the music and the 5 times digital zoom, but it only can be zoomed in the FPV. We also have been trying the road planning. Just tap the point on the map. It's very easy. It's best for beginner. For the maximum height on this drone, it can be reached 120 meter height. The maximum height. And for the distance, the Wi-Fi FPV distance, it can be reached 818 meter for the Wi-Fi FPV. For the maximum distance on the drone, it can be around 1.2 km. Okay, so now we have incoming call from the fat boy. You can present now. Oh, okay, okay. Hello guys, we are here now test the F11 4K Pro drone. We have been test the performance, not bad at all. We have been test pull and throw. When we pull and throw, it will be go back the current position. It's very nice stabilization. We have been trying the impact balloon to this F11 4K drone. It's just still stable. And we also tried the wind resistance. The drone just keep in the current position. And the last, we test to turn off the remote control, let the drone to auto return home to the takeoff point. Everything is okay. So this is all the test. Terima kasih. So now let's return back to the host. So that's it for the F11 4K Pro drone. It's a very nice and good budget drone. If you are interested, please click the below link to buy. It can be shipped to entire world. Before ending, we will play the song for you. So have a nice day. Goodbye. Oh shit! Today, the weather is very cool. For the video quality, it can be recorded 4K 30 fps. The color and the quality very sharp clear cut. Oh, okay. Hello guys, I am Fat Boy. And also we have been test the impact brake.
Bang 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 smack.